It is hard to get views and subscribers if you haven't been posting a video, and sometimes when you do post a video, that video just tanks. But what if you were able to plan out your videos a bit and hopefully make it a bit easier for you to organize your videos and maybe potentially make that next video count in order to get more subscribers and more views. The more you are able to plan out your videos, have a video outline, and have everything organized, it will make it so much easier for you to make better content. And the viewers will notice that you have been spending more time on your videos, you have been spending more time planning out and researching the topic that you're going to talk about. Even if you are in a niche that you really understand, you have been hyper focused on this one thing, or maybe you have several things that you are talking about in your videos and you have a lot of knowledge, it can sometimes be difficult for the viewers to understand what you are talking about. If you are planning out your videos, you will not only save on time when it comes to editing, but it will be easier in general for every part, essentially. And then you will get more clicks because your videos will be better put together in a way. The first thing that I usually do is I actually go on YouTube and I just search for something, how to start on YouTube, for example. I look at this first video from vidIQ, I look at the thumbnail, I look at the design, and I look at the title, how to create a YouTube channel for beginners in 2024. Okay, easy enough, I can just copy it and put 2025. No. What I like to do is I like to look for keywords, like how to is always in how to videos, basically. How to start, okay, step by step, okay, so we have another one of those. Essentially, what I'm trying to do here is to look for words like step by step, new, more, and stuff like that. Okay, so this is my Notion. I've been showing my Notion on this channel before, but essentially every single video idea, thumbnail, title, everything that I have in my mind. And if I'm working on something, I'm traveling somewhere, I open the Notion app on my phone or on my computer and I write stuff down so I don't forget about stuff. And I have a good workflow, so I know for a fact where in the video process, in the planning phase I am. When I click on this video that I'm working on right now, it's filming because I'm filming the video right now. I can click on here and I have research, scripting, filming, editing. So if I'm going to bed, I'm waking up early in the next morning, I'm super tired, I can just look over here. Okay, yes, of course, I'm supposed to film today. Let's go ahead and start a new template. I click on this one, YouTube template, and boom. Here we go. We have everything that we need for our video. I will just give it a number, video number 5, for example. And then we have everything else. We have our title ideas. I can just write down a title, a new title, and a new one, and I can continue on, go to Notion and figure out different titles so I can sort of test them. I can use vidIQ and those keywords in order for me to test, to figure out, is this a good keyword? Is this a bad keyword? Use this title thing to have different variations of my titles. I can have my scripts and stuff like that. To write an entire script from start to finish, I feel like it's a waste of time. Write just bullet points. I can go like this, / bullet point list, boom. I can type whatever and I can continue on with the bullet points. As you can see on top, this is the video that we just created. If I go into a random video, should you upload daily? I can open this one up. I will sort of expose myself. This has the old banner actually, and it's published. I have some different types of ideas for my title, and I have a script in here, basically a hook, intro, bullet points, and I try to minimize this 3 or 4 sort of main points. Then I have my outro where I basically remind you to subscribe. So if you're able to, thank you so much for subscribing. And then I tell you about my next video. So the final thing that I do before I record my video, I make sure to make the thumbnail. I make sure that I test out different stuff. And when I post a video, I will use A/B testing. But okay, this thumbnail right here is one of the designs that I made for this video. Then I make some tweaks with the colors. Maybe I change some of the fonts, whatever, to try my best to look, okay, will this work? A YouTube thumbnail for me starts out really simple, and then I just add and add and add and add and change and change and change and basically end up with this one. And then I open up this website. This is basically a website where I'm able to test my thumbnail on YouTube. So I take this thumbnail, open, and I usually turn on dark mode and I look, okay, on a web browser, home, small, sidebar, and everything in between, and I can look at, will this thumbnail essentially work on a small device or whatever. I have been spending so much time on planning out my videos, thumbnails, titles, and video ideas, Notion, and everything in between, because I know that it will work. I have been gaining a lot of subscribers and views from posting good quality videos, that's for sure, but people wouldn't have clicked those videos if I didn't plan my videos. So now you are ready to film and edit and post your videos, and if you are looking for a bit of a fresh air and you are ready for 2025, look at this video right here. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Esbjørn, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye.